Splash of soda. Understanding the phrase. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to explore the phrase, splash of soda. This expression is often used in English, especially in the context of food and drinks. Let's dive into what it means and how you can use it in your everyday conversations. The term, splash, refers to a small quantity of a liquid, often scattered or splashed in a random manner. When we say, a splash of soda, we're talking about adding a small amount of soda to a drink. It's usually just enough to add some flavor or to mix with other ingredients, without overwhelming the entire drink. In everyday language, a splash of soda is commonly used in bars or restaurants. For example, if someone orders a whiskey with a splash of soda, they want whiskey with just a little bit of soda added. It's also used in recipes or when making mixed drinks at home. Sometimes, the phrase can be used metaphorically. For instance, if someone adds a splash of soda to a conversation or a project, they are contributing a small but significant element. This metaphorical use highlights the impact of small additions or changes. Understanding phrases like, a splash of soda, helps in grasping the nuances of the English language. Whether you're ordering a drink or making an analogy, this phrase is a great example of how a small element can add significant flavor or impact. Hope this video helps you in your English language journey.